Welcome to the New Skills Academy course on eyelash tinting. So my name is Judy Walford and I've been a beauty therapist for over 25 years now. So I've had the privilege of working with lots of companies, working in health spas, working freelance, going out and about on shoots, weddings, had my own salon and have also worked in teaching and training beauty therapy. So eyelash tinting is part of many treatments that we can embark upon. So the reason you may want to take this course may be that you are adding small modules into your treatment list. So this is a great one to fit in alongside any lash treatment that you're existing doing. It could be a great one to do if you specialise in makeup and you want to add in as is nails, so any of the other courses that you've maybe already done or looking to do. So these are great to fit together to create the perfect treatment list for a great beauty therapist. What we'll be covering in this course is absolutely everything you need to do to confidently carry out an eyelash tint. So we'll be talking about patch testing, which is such an important part of any procedure, including tinting. And there will be a full demonstration of how to perform the patch test. But you need to be aware of this is actually a legal requirement, so you need to record that onto the actual record card and get that signed and dated by both of you. That's fully explained in the actual theory side of the module, and we have a separate actual live video of how that is to be done. We cover all the full consultation, and again this is a very important part, so you're going to have explained in the modules and how to use your record card, complete your record card, ask questions, the questioning technique, so that you can establish exactly what your client would like and what her expectations of the treatment, and you can explain exactly what's going to happen and choose the right colour that you're going to be tinting their lashes. We will also cover everything you need to know about hygiene, which is also such an important part of performing any treatment. So that will all be covered in your module sections as well, as will your health and safety, which is also super important. Contraindications and contraactions. So the contraindications are reasons why you wouldn't be able to carry out your treatment. So you had somebody, for instance, example, would had a sty on their eye, something like that. So all the contraindications that would stop you doing a treatment will be given in the theory modules, and your contraactions are how to explain what will happen because of the treatment, which are absolutely normal. So all of this will be covered within the module and the demonstration as well.